Well, we took a train from Hamburg to Berlin today, and we're about to head back to Hamburg, and we're going to go check out the Berlin Central Station. This thing is huge. This train station is huge. So we're on level 3 right now. There's still 2 more levels above us. There are 3 levels of shops. They even have a tram on the top. Like, it looks like a subway or something. So this is essentially a 3-story mall, and there are several places to get food here as well. There are restaurants, there are places that you can get some gelato. Ooh, I'll be right back and get some. When you get here, if you're looking for the toilet, it's on the street level where I'm at, level 3. They're right over there, and it's €1 to cost. But that was cool. There's like 5 restaurants in there. One of them is Asian. So if you have some gluten issues, I'd probably hop into there first, because that'd probably be your best option so far that I've seen. That would give you some food that you can eat. So if you collect the Starbucks mugs, they do have the Starbucks mugs in this Starbucks here in the station. By tracks 15 and 16, they have an ATM. So far, I'm halfway done with the second floor, which is really the 4th floor, and I've only seen the water closets on the entry level floor. Yeah, they only have one bathroom in this train station. It is on the street level. And yeah, now I know why the line was so long. The sub-level 1 is really just another part of the mall. You got Subway, you got McDonald's. They have a couple other little shops down here. You got a Relay, which is like a convenience store. It's like a Hudson in the airport. There is a Dunkin' Donut down here as well. But sub-level 1, you can't access any of the trains from here. You have to go to sub-level 2 to get all of your trains. Now, this completes my time here at the Berlin Central Station. If you have any questions about it, let me know. If you want to book a trip to Germany, let me know. Thanks for watching. And if you could hook me up and hit that like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time on our next trip.